Welcome back to my holiday organizing tip series, where I'll be uploading holiday organizing tips daily to help you achieve just a little more organization during this holiday season. If you missed any of my previous videos, I'll leave a link to the playlist in the description box below, or you can just simply click on the iCard up there and it'll take you right to them. Okay, today's organizing tip is about our holiday cards that we send out. Now, depending on how many people you send your holiday cards out to, it can be a daunting task. One way you can gain a little control over your mailing list is to have a master list of all your recipients. A master card mailing list can really help you stay more organized during the holiday season. First, I always recommend to keep your family and friends on one list and your acquaintances on another list. And the reason I suggest that is because we tend to keep track of more information on our family and friends than we do our acquaintances. And what I mean by that is when we receive cards from our family and friends, they will often tell you a little bit about what's going on in their life. Was there a new baby in the family? Was there a new job someone got in the family? And I use the master list to track those events, so I'm up to date, and it helps me remember, because when you're getting a lot of cards during the holiday season, you can forget who had what job and that sort of thing. So when I receive a card, I will often verify that I have all the correct information on my master list. I will check the spelling of everyone's names, because I was horrified one holiday season when I sent out a card and realized later when I received their card that I had spelled their child's name wrong, and I was just mortified. So by keeping a master list, you can keep track of the correct spelling of everybody's name, maybe their ages, so that when you send future cards to them, you can reference back to their age and keep track of it that way. And if I do notice a change on the card I receive, I just flip the page over and I write those updated notes on the back, and then put a little star next to their name so that I know there's updated information on the back of my list. And then, like I said, I keep a separate list for my business contacts or acquaintances that are just your standard cards that you want to let them know that you're thinking of them. And one other tip I want to suggest when you keep a master card mailing list is to fill it out in pencil. That way, when you do have updated information, it's simply erase and rewrite it in. No scratching off and having a whole mess on your master card list. Okay, I hope you found this tip helpful. If you'd like more organizing tips or templates like this, be sure to get my downloadable PDF that is filled with more organizing tips and 55 pages of organizing to-do lists and templates to help you stay more organized this holiday season. The link to my PDF is in the description box below. And don't forget, check back tomorrow for more holiday organizing tips. See you later.